Environmental management system is a full system to allow you to have a plan, do, check, act approach, ensuring that you are meeting and addressing all of the impacts that have been identified and improving your performance. Benefits of having an EMS are numerous. The key ones are ensuring that you are measuring and tracking those things that are most important to you and improving your performance. Key points of an EMS are identifying the legal requirements and ensuring that you are tracking and keeping up to speed on all of those things that you need to do. Those change all the time, and so it's important to not just know the ones that you have now, but also the ones that are coming, and planning ahead to ensure that you're meeting those requirements. One of the key steps of setting up an EMS is first look at everything you've got. Good companies that are operating well typically have all the points in place already, and maybe you're already doing it with your current business. So looking at what's already in place and then thinking about how you can integrate sustainability and particularly environmental aspects into that process. ISO 14001 is the best framework to use for setting up an environmental management system. And a key point to using this is that ISO just tells you what you have to do. You say how you do it. So it does provide a lot of flexibility to be able to know what's asked for, but also then define what works best for your organization. Say the measure of success for a good environmental management system is that it's adding value to your organization. So you can, one, have all the points in place, but if it just sits on a shelf and nobody uses it, then it really isn't adding value. So an environmental management system that you are actively using and is and demonstrating continuous improvement is a demonstration and the key to success. Future of EMS is advancing beyond kind of more the traditional manufacturing and heavy industry. So oftentimes I've been doing EMSs from a manufacturing setting, and now I'm beginning to see it advance beyond that heavy industry and more legal background and more into proactive organizations, and organizations are really beginning to see where the value of this is. Even if you don't get a certified ISO management system, that's not a requirement. Using the tools and using the framework is what really makes a difference. Companies are already doing all of the steps, but really formalizing it and embedding it into the organization is where the difference is made.